In Xero, expense categories are managed through the Chart of Accounts, COA. These are called expense accounts and help classify spending for accurate reporting, tax, and profit loss tracking. Step-by-step guide. Log into Xero. Go to Xero.com. Sign into your organization. Access the Chart of Accounts from the main menu, top left. Click Accounting, Advanced, Chart of Accounts. Add a new expense account. Click the blue Add Account button, top right. Fill in the details. Type, select expense, important. This groups it under expenses. Code, optional. Enter a number, for example 500 for office supplies, 600 for travel. Helps with sorting. Name, give it a clear name, for example office supplies, marketing expenses, meals and entertainment, contractor fees. Description, optional. Brief explanation for team reference. Tax rate, choose the default tax rate, for example tax exclusive, tax inclusive, or specific rate like 0% for exempt items. Reporting code, optional, used for tax reports or custom grouping. Tracking categories, optional. Assigned to departments, locations, or custom tags if you use them. Save the account. Click Save. The new expense category now appears in the Chart of Accounts under the Expense section. Use the category when entering bills, expenses, or spend money transactions. In the Account drop-down, select your new category. It will now show in reports, profit and loss, expense by contact, etc.